Be honest, what do you do on Friday nights?
Do a pull reach action. Most doctors out there, they use the Y strap. That's cheating. You know why? Because chiropractic, it's Greek. See, the guy holding it knows Greek. Chiro means hand. Okay, there we go. Practice with the hand. If I use straps and all that, that's bullshit. This is how you know. This is how you know what. Okay, let's breathe in. Breathe out. Oh my. Look this way to the left. There it is.
Oh, that was the one.
Ooh, that was the one.